Hey, in this video, we'll be looking at how to enrich contact information using Highperformr AI. Imagine you've just returned from an event with a list of interested prospects from booth signups, and all you've got is their first name, last name, company, and domain. That's a good start, but you'll still need real contact details to reach out. Highperformr AI fills those gaps for immediate, confident follow ups. Open your Highperformr AI dashboard and head to Audience to create a new segment. We'll call this Contact Enrichment GTM Leader Signups. Click the Enrichments button in the top right and add the enrichment that finds LinkedIn profiles using just the prospect's name and company, because that's all we've got. Apply it to records added or updated in this segment so every new row gets covered. This will drop into your workflow automatically. Now move to Workflows and drag the LinkedIn profile enrichment to the top. This sets up a clean waterfall so every downstream task has a profile to build on. Turn the toggle on to fetch contact and company profile, emails with deliverability checks via waterfall enrichment, phone numbers, and recent LinkedIn activity. Before you run it, choose the output you want to see in your table. Keep first name, last name, and company selected. Make sure LinkedIn profile is active. Then add emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn last active date, and LinkedIn last activity so the results land exactly where you expect them. Head to the main table and import your CSV with the prospects you want enriched. Highperformr AI's agents will analyze and automap the fields. You can now continue to the segment dashboard to start the import. In just seconds, you will see the enrichment kick in. LinkedIn profiles resolved, emails verified, phone numbers filled, and activity details updated, flowing into the columns you mapped. And that's it. Your event signups are now enriched and outreach ready, so your team can follow up with precision and not guesswork. See you in the next video. Thank you.